Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. The food on the box look good, don't it? Should you buy it, should you wait, should you jump on it? You wanna know if it good, does it taste right? Wanna try before you buy it, what it looks like. Hey, what it looks like. Hey, what it looks like. Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. What it looks like. Hey, what it looks like. On this episode of What It Looks Like, we have Betty Crocker Delights, Cookie Brownie Bars Mix, and now let's see what it looks like. But before we see what it looks like, let's check out the nutritional facts. Serving size 1/16 of a package. 16 servings per container. Calories 130. Total fat 2 grams. Saturated fat 1 gram. Trans fat 0 grams. Cholesterol 0 milligrams. Sodium 110 milligrams. Total carbohydrates 26 grams. Dietary fiber less than 1 gram. Total sugars 16 grams. Protein 1 gram. And now let's see what it looks like. What it looks like is almost a spitting image of the box. The cookie on the top with some of the brownie glaze on top looks just like the box. The consistency of the brownie mix looks very close to the box as well. The only thing is that on the box you can see a melted chocolate chip inside of the brownie mix, but the brownie mix didn't have any chocolate chips in it. Only the cookie dough had the chocolate chips. It is possible that a chocolate chip sunk into the brownie mix before it was cooked. It really doesn't matter because I am thoroughly pleased with what it looks like. It looks fantastic. The brownies smell out of this world. The chocolate smells so good. I can smell the difference between the brownie and the cookie. It's incredible. And I can't wait to get to the what it tastes like part of the video. In fact, I'm done talking about the way it smells. Let's move right on to the way it tastes. Oh my goodness, this tastes incredible. And when I say incredible, I mean absolutely incredible. The brownie is soft and gooey. The cookie has a little crispiness to it too. It is not dry tasting at all. The only problem I see with the way it tastes is that you must have self-control because you will want to eat the whole pan by yourself. In fact, I picked the wrong day to run out of milk. Welcome to the W.I.L.L Awards, where the contestants will be judged on smell, taste, and of course, what it looks like. Each contestant must score at least 20 points. And let's go to the judges on the first category of smell. 10. Next up is taste. A 10. And now for that all-important category, what it looks like. 10 for me. Thank you so much for watching What It Looks Like. We are committed to bringing you our honest opinion about the way it smells, tastes, and of course, what it looks like. So please like and subscribe today. Hit that notification bell so you never miss another one of our great videos. If there is a food product you would like for us to try before you buy, please leave us a comment below, and if we can find it, we will show you what it looks like. No animals were harmed in the making of this video. However, they may or may not have been harmed in the making of the contestant. But we had nothing to do with that. We promise, honestly, you can trust